Now I'm explaining you the visual ray method from the left side view. As you have seen this method here, we have used the top view, sorry, front view. I'm using the same. I have drawn already this part, like 40 mm, for 30 mm in front of the PP, and everything whatever here is I have drawn already there. Okay, so I'm just telling you how do we get this uh, perceptive how do we get this perceptive view, you can say, perspective projection of this plate from the side view by using a visual ray method. Okay, just see this. Now it is 30. Okay, it is 30. It does not matter. It's just for explaining you. You don't have to make this question in your sheet. It is just for your knowledge only. So just you need to make like something. This is your PP, as you know. You need to make some extra line over here, and you should draw a perpendicular line to this line. Okay, perpendicular line to this line, wherever you can take. This is PP, this is PP, and this is also PP. These are same thing. We are basically projecting the side view on below side view on the bottom side. I will tell you why we are doing something like this. You need to make an angle 45 degree, as you know earlier. This is a projection method. You already know that we need to project all the points to this 45 line. Then we can find out the side view. I am projecting these points 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4, like this, and projecting into downward side. Your line must be straight, like this. Our line side view of this line as you know, this is a plate, this is not a line. Okay, so we need to make a ground line. Whatever distance from this PP, you can take a ground line. This is a ground line, this is a ground line, like this. See, and now this is a plate. If you see from this side, whatever is this point, you will get a rectangle or a square type view from this side. As you know earlier, orthographic. So what would be the height of that? A height would be same as 30. The height would be 30 because its dimension is with 35, 40. So its height would be like this, 30. Its points are like, you find out the height, then it is placed on, this is PP, it is behind some distance. This distance is the distance behind which the plate is located. You can see we had copied this distance. This is, if this is 20, this distance becomes 20 also. This distance will be 20 again, as you know. Okay, so as these points 1 and 2 are nearer to pp, so these are 1 dash, you can say 1 and 2 simply, and these points are far away from the pp, so we will assign as 1 2 3 4. Okay, now we have to assign s is 30 as we had taken s as a 40 above the ground line, so 40 above the ground line, and this 30 in front of, so in front of the distance is 30 but we have taken, you need to find out this distance here. I have taken 40 instead of 30, I have taken 40. This is 40 basically, so there would be some minor changes in the view. Answer would be correct. So I have taken this distance as 40, and the above distance from the ground line, above distance is, this is the distance in front of, we are seeing from the side view. Okay, side view of this s also, I am seeing the side view of s. So when we see side view of s, we can see the distance of s from the ground. So if this is 40, you need to take this also as a 40, so this is 40, this is s from the side view, this is s, this s is not in this plane, this s is different, not on the same plane. This is for side view, this is for the top view. So now you have to join all these points because we don't have much time. You quickly join these points, and you should use a red pen because all these points are helping lines. Okay, they were not real something, real edge or real lines, they were just helping line. Need to join all this. Okay, we have joined all these points. Okay, so now what we are getting, so as you see, these are 3 dash comma 4 dash points, this is 1 dash comma 2 dash points, as I have told you, as I have told you earlier. Now we need to mark this point on this side also. This is 3 dash, this is 3 dash. Okay, this is 1 dash, and this is 4 dash point, and this is 2 dash point. Now you need to have a very thin pencil, very thin. Okay, just make it a parallel lines, and like this, these parallel lines, and same thing from the vertical, you need to maintain the perpendicular. This should be perfectly perpendicular. If you can see, I had drawn the lines from this side and the perpendicular lines from this side, so we can locate. If this is 3 dash, then this is also a 3 dash point, 3 double dash point, and this is 4 dash, this is 4 double dash point, this is 2 dash, and this is 2 double dash point, this is 1 dash, this is 1 double dash point. Now we have to join these points. Okay, so whatever you are getting after joining these points is called as perspective view of this plate. Perspective view of this plate. Now you see this answer, and you see this answer. These were different because somehow we had taken this 30 distance and we have taken 40 distance over here, but the method is same. The shape you see, the shape is almost same because we have taken some wrong distance of the position of S, so it is by mistake only, but the shape you see, it is similar. So this is what I have said, that this is the method of how to draw, how to find out the perspective view of a plate by using visual ray method. Okay, now we are heading to the assignment problem.